Because Mommy had to help me up here, but I got up here nice and pretty. And I want to stand up though. You have to be careful. Oh. Do it again. Do it again. Oh. Oh, you're going to slide off again? You're going to slide off of the chair? This little chunky monkey belly. He's going to slide right off that chair. He's going to slide off. My goodness. Ready? His little butt. Oh, bonk. You're okay. Yeah, well, you know. Look at that tongue. He does that. He does that. You're a silly Millie. Ready? Bzzz goes the bee. Bzzz. Look at Jonah's dead up. Bzzz goes the bee. Buzz, 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 buzz goes the bee. He's getting the animal. Buzz goes the bee. What does the ducky go? Does the ducky go quack, 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 quack? Yay! 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 We're doing it in church. What, Mom? What? Am I Mom? Say Mom. He doesn't go Mama, he goes Mum. You are your father's child. Want to do your trick? Ready? Do it. And do it. Do your trick. Come on, do it. Oh. I'm on my knees. I'm on my knees. He wants to do everything one-handed. Can you sit up on your knees by yourself, or is it just all right now? That's not